Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. The sight of a rugged steel shipping container usually signals commerce, not comfort. But today, these robust boxes are being reimagined as the foundation for some of the most innovative, sustainable, and surprisingly luxurious modern homes on the planet. This is architecture repurposed, where logistics meets contemporary living. This design trend is solving housing challenges with speed and style, offering an eco-friendly and often more affordable path to homeownership. We'll define this unique construction method, discuss the best ways to build a truly movable house, share top tips for an eye-catching exterior, and of course, present the top 10 best prefabricated modern container house ideas to spark your own bold project. Let's containerize some inspiration. Prefabricated modern container house design is the practice of converting steel ISO, International Organization for Standardization, shipping containers into habitable dwelling units. The term, prefabricated, is key here, meaning the conversion, including cutting, welding, insulation, and the installation of electrical and plumbing systems, is largely completed in a controlled factory setting before the modules are transported to the final building site. The modern aspect refers to the design aesthetic, clean lines, minimalist finishes, open plan layouts, and the strategic use of the container's modular form to create multi-story or multi-unit structures. This design capitalizes on the container's inherent strength and structural integrity. Instead of traditional construction that starts from the ground up on site, container homes arrive as highly finished, three-dimensional building blocks, allowing for faster, more predictable construction timelines and often a superior, tightly sealed building envelope. The best way to build a truly movable or prefabricated container house emphasizes modularity and easy connection to the site. The entire build, including most of the interior finishes, should be done in the factory. For a movable house, the key is the foundation and connection points. Instead of a permanent concrete slab, the container should be set on a robust, non-invasive foundation like concrete piers, steel runners, or simple block foundations that are easily disconnected. The unit is then secured using standard container corner castings and twist locks that can be swiftly undone. Furthermore, all site utilities, water, sewage, and electricity, must be designed with quick connect, external interfaces. This allows the home to be rapidly unhooked and lifted by crane onto a flatbed trailer, preserving the unit's integrity and making relocation as simple as transporting freight. To elevate a steel box into a piece of modern architecture, the exterior decoration must balance the raw, industrial aesthetic with warmth and visual interest. Start by employing strategic cladding and contrasting textures. While the corrugated steel can be attractive, covering one or more faces with warm materials like cedar, bamboo, or composite wood siding instantly softens the look and contrasts beautifully with the sharp lines of the metal. Next, leverage the container color palette. Bold, deep colors, like matte black, charcoal gray, or a deep forest green, help the structure recede into the landscape and amplify the modern feel. Alternatively, a brilliant white can make a stunning, clean architectural statement. Finally, focus on cutouts and integration. The exterior should feature large, dramatic openings, windows and doors that have clean, precisely finished steel frames. A modern, low-profile deck or porch built directly into the container's cutout further blurs the line between the raw structure and the polished living space. Let's look at the designs that take the humble steel box to architectural greatness. One, the double-stacked floating block. This design uses two containers stacked perpendicularly, with the top container dramatically cantilevered to create a sheltered carport or covered outdoor living space below. The bold structural offset emphasizes the modular nature of the building blocks. 2. Wood-clad cutout patio. A section is cut from the container and finished entirely in warm wood, forming a recessed, covered porch or patio that contrasts beautifully with the dark metal exterior. This technique transforms a purely functional element into a welcoming entry point. 3. The panoramic window wall end cap. The entire end wall of the container is replaced with a massive, floor-to-ceiling glass window or sliding door, instantly making the typically narrow space feel expansive and connected to the landscape. This is essential for maximizing light and views in a restrictive footprint. 4. Integrated rooftop terrace arches. A staircase, often made of exposed metal or wood, is built seamlessly along the exterior of the container, leading directly to a usable, railed roof deck. This maximizes the vertical space and provides premium outdoor leisure area. 5. Triple container courtyard arrangement. 3 containers are arranged in a U-shape around a central, open courtyard or patio space, which becomes the main light source and focal point for the entire house. This configuration elegantly solves the challenge of creating larger, protected communal areas. 6. Sleek matte black finish for camouflage. The entire exterior steel shell is painted a flawless matte black, allowing the house to blend into the surrounding shadows and vegetation, giving it a sophisticated, stealthy architectural presence. The black color also draws attention to any wood or glass details that puncture the dark facade. 7. The multi-container staggered elevation. Several containers are used and staggered both horizontally and vertically, creating a dynamic, multi-level facade that breaks up the mass and adds visual interest to a sloped site. This complex arrangement provides unique interior ceiling heights and varied outdoor balconies. 8. Industrial luxe exposed corner details. The design intentionally leaves the original corner castings and steel framing visible, highlighting the container's history and industrial origin as a design feature. This is perfectly complemented by minimalist landscaping and high-end, factory-style external lighting fixtures. 9. Horizontal wood slat screening. Durable wooden slats are used to create a secondary facade, providing passive sun shading, privacy, and an added layer of texture over the container's steel skin. This screening softens the industrial edge and adds a warm, biophilic element to the modern structure. 10. The pop-out glazed section. A section of the container wall is cut out and replaced with a framed, glazed box that extends slightly beyond the main wall plane. This pop-out increases interior space, provides a deep window seat, and adds a geometric accent to the facade. The prefabricated modern container house is so much more than recycled steel. It is a testament to ingenious, sustainable design. It challenges our notions of what a home should be, offering durability, speed of construction, and an inherently mobile structure, all wrapped up in a sleek, contemporary package. This architecture is perfect for the forward-thinking designer or homeowner looking for an elegant, non-traditional solution. Which of these bold, boxy designs grabbed your attention the most? Would you build a single-volume retreat or a stacked family home? Let me know your favorite idea in the comments below. If this video has opened your eyes to the possibilities of modular design, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studio. We unlock the best ideas in home design every week. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. Thanks for joining us, and happy designing!